Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Fenya and I'm your personal esthetician. And yes guys, I'm wearing a fancy schmancy robe and no, I'm not selling this, but you could get it on Amazon. So in this video, I want to talk to you guys about my sheet mask. I'm so excited. This took me 6 months to get the packaging right, the ingredients. It took me forever. The quality of the sheet mask, it was just a long journey, but we're here. It's finally here, so I'm very excited about that. So I want to talk to you guys about the sheet mask, how it looks, the ingredients. I want to break it down, and I want to talk to you guys about what device I use with this sheet mask. So stay tuned. So as I'm doing the sheet mask on myself, I'm going to talk to you guys through it, walk you through it, and I'm going to let you see the whole process, because the beauty about this sheet mask is after you leave it on for like 20 minutes, the sheet mask actually starts drying because your skin is absorbing everything and all the ingredients, which is amazing to me. I've tried so many sheet masks and they just literally stay wet forever and it just doesn't dry and I don't feel like my skin is absorbing the product. So I want you guys to see the steps and see the process of it. And at the same time, I'm going to do the Omni Device and we can do a little chit chat. All right, guys, I'm ready for the sheet mask. So my hair is tied back, my hairline is protected, and yes, this I do sell. So you can go on guidancetoglow.com and find it. So I'm gonna grab the sheet mask really quickly, and we're gonna get this puppy going. All right. Bear with me, guys. All right, nice and drenched. I love it. So now this sheet mask does come, oh, look at that, it's so juicy. It does come with a paper to guide you. So I'm just using the paper as my guide. Ooh. Too wet. Okay, here we go. So this is the sheet mask, this is the paper. All right, so we're just gonna put the paper this way and put it on my skin. Oh my gosh, it's so cold. It does feel really nice though. I'm using the screen as my mirror, so bear with me. There we go. Okay, let me toss this out. Okay. It's always scary looking. All right. So what I love about this sheet mask is, I'm gonna get closer to the camera so you guys can see, that the cloth is super sturdy. It's flexible and it won't tear. I've tried so many sheet masks that they tear on me, they fall apart, and they're just not as sturdy. So I'm gonna actually get a little close up. All right, guys, I'm gonna get a little close up so you can see. This is the sheet mask. It's super thin, but I can pull it around, tug, it won't tear. Just super amazing. Blows my mind. Okay. Now you do see these little holes, that's there. That's not, it didn't rip or tear. It's just some people have wider nose, smaller nose. It's just there to be adjustable. All right, as we have the sheet mask on my skin, oh my God, it's super wet, which is so awesome. Okay. I'm just gonna do a little massage, make sure all this stuff. So since I'm talking, I'm gonna lift this up so I don't get it in my mouth. All right. All right, so let's talk about the ingredients. So first ingredient is the hyaluronic acid. I'm going to break it down. Most people know, some people don't. That's fine. I just want to make sure everybody does know and educated. So hyaluronic acid is literally a glass of water to your skin. It holds 1,000 times its weight of water in your skin. So think of it this way. Take a piece of bread and you dunk it in water. What happens? It plumps up and it expands. That's what we want to do to your skin, is plump up the skin and just give it a dewy, glowy, just supple look. So the next ingredient we have is the cucumber, which we all know is soothing, hydrating, calming to the skin. We also have aloe vera in there, again, soothing and calming. This also has tetrapeptide in there. Tetrapeptide is from the hyaluronic acid family. It's just a different type of peptide. Now, this peptide, it has amino acid, it has protein, stem cells, and it's from the oligopeptide family, which is great for anti-aging. It's amazing for anti-aging. Then you have the hexapeptide, which is also from the hyaluronic acid family. It's just another type of peptide. And this is what we call in our industry the topical Botox. It helps to slow down that muscle movement and prevents fine lines and wrinkles, which is, again, amazing for anti-aging. The final ingredient is the willow herb. Willow herb is also soothing, but at the same time, it's antiseptic and it's plant-based, which it also helps with acne, breakouts, pustules, any type of bacteria. In creating this sheet mask, I really wanted to cover most skin types. We wanted to cover acne-prone skin, oily skin, dry skin, dehydrated skin, even red, irritated skin, anti-aging. So all of these ingredients will definitely target those skin types. All right, guys, so let's talk about the fabric itself. So the cloth is called the Tencel. Tencel is biodegradable, which is amazing, and it's so important for this type of product for sheet masks. And also, it's a very thin fabric. A lot of times when you have a sheet mask on your skin, when it's super thick or it's cotton-based, it tends to absorb the product and your skin isn't absorbing the product, which is why the sheet mask is constantly wet for a long time. So I also wanted to read something to you guys, and it just helps you understand a little bit better as to what Tencels are. Tencel is a fiber made from a wood pulp of a tree that are grown and replaced on specialized tree farms. Unlike most fabrics, Tencel is produced and used recyclable, earth-friendly solvents. So I'm so happy with the way the sheet mask turned out. It is plant-based, it has great ingredients, and your skin looks so radiant after. I can't wait to show you guys right after. All right, guys, so I'm gonna use the Omni Device with the sheet mask. I don't wanna keep talking too long because it's starting to dry out. So if you guys can see how this area is starting to dry. It's still a little bit wet here, but it's starting to dry out, which skin is absorbing everything. I'm so loving this. All right, so let's take the cap off. To turn on the Omni Device, you're gonna hold this for 2-3 seconds. All right, so it automatically goes to the red light. The red light is great for anti-aging, healing the skin. Then if you click one more time, I'll go to the blue light, which is great for antibacterial, breakouts, acne, and so on. If you decide you don't want any light, you can just click again. It's still on, but there's no light. So I prefer the red light. I'm gonna get close a little bit. So I do also want to point this out that it does have a sensor here and here. So as soon as it feels skin, it starts. And if you don't, it's not touching anything, it won't activate. And if you leave it on, and I think about 3 to 4 minutes, it turns off automatically if you're not using it. So saves the battery. So let's start. Now I do want to talk to you guys about what the vibration does for the skin. First of all, it stimulates muscle contraction, and it also helps to push the products into your skin. So let's see if you guys can see. See that? So nice. Just soaks up the product. It allows your skin to absorb the product and stimulate muscles. So I'll do this for about 3 minutes or so. If you decide you want to use the blue light as well, I'll do 1.5 minutes of the red light, and then I'll switch over to the blue light. If you have a breakout, you can spot treat it. I had one right here, and I had one right here, and a scar here, but let's just pretend like it's a breakout. So you can either spot treat it with the blue light or just do it all over. It won't hurt you. You can do whatever you want. Do you, boo? Do you? So I love this device with my sheet mask, or even any mask that is hydrating. I would say stay away from using this device with exfoliating acids or masks, because you don't want to push the mask deeper into your skin. That's very active already. So obviously this mask is very hydrating and has great anti-aging benefits. I'm going to go back to the red light. So I think you're perfectly safe with that, but not active acidic or exfoliating ingredients. So you guys, as you guys can tell, look, it's starting to dry out. So I'm going to give it another 10 minutes and I'll be back and I'll show you guys how it looks after. All right, guys, moment of truth. Let's take this mask off and let's see how it looks. So as you guys can tell, look at this. It's already dried up. All right, you guys ready? I'm ready. I look like Santa Claus. Look at that. So pretty. And here's the mask. See how it's like literally like just a gauze. Just like everything got soaked up in your skin is what I'm trying to say. Got stuck in my words, but what I'm trying to say is that it's all in your skin. So your skin absorbed it. And look at that pretty glow. So nice, right? So I'm very excited about this sheet mask. I hope you guys enjoy it just as much as I have, and I've been loving it so much. So if you guys have any questions, comment down below or just message me, DM me on Instagram, or just comment on my photos. I'm very active on that platform. So let me know and I'll catch you guys soon. Talk to you guys later. Bye.